amici miei, I got off before our station for one reason and one only. We are in Arnavutköy. Arnavut means Albanian and Köy means village. So this is the village of the Albanians. During the 15th century, according to ChatGPT, a lot of Albanians migrated here in this zone for administrative and military roles during the Ottoman Empire, and they settled here in this zone. Here in this zone, there are a lot of Albanians. A lot of Albanians originally. Of course, they now became Turkish. Arnavutköy. Ah, you're not from here, brother. Thank you. So, look how nice is this, guys. Typical Turkish houses. Of course, the Galatasaray flag. And look at the sea here. Wow, it's fantastic. Very, very clean. And of course, a lot of boats. Very windy. I hope you can hear me. Look at all the houses there. And the huge flag there. Let's ask here. Arnavutköy? You're not from here. Thank you. Alright. I don't know. I can find locals, guys. I would like actually a photo with that bridge. Alright, guys. We took the photos and now we're gonna carry on to our destination to have Turkish breakfast. I hope you can hear me good because it's super windy here. Of course, it's open, zone. There are a lot of actually boats here. I see yachts. Look how nice this looks, guys. I would love to have one of these boats. This small one here. Look, there is the mosque there. I'm surprised about this wooden house actually. Really unique for this part, of Istanbul. Like a movie, really. Arnavutköy. Oh, nice. The gentleman took some fish, guys. Bravo. Very nice. They are small, but still, satisfaction to take. I really didn't know that here in Istanbul there was a village that took name from Albania, from Albanians. I knew that Albanians were very, very popular in the Ottoman Empire. National hero of Albania, actually, Skanderbeg. We spoke about it when we went to Tirana. When we were to Tirana, the Skanderbeg Square. Skanderbeg was trained by the Ottomans, and later in life he fought against them, against the Ottomans. So yeah, I really don't know when it comes the next bus, guys. So we are here in the middle of, not nowhere, because we are in a really popular zone actually. Wow, look how clean this water is, guys. I'm really surprised because usually where there are boats, the water is not so clean. What do you think? We might as well walk, right? Or what? I don't know. It says that should come in 5 minutes or so, either the 22 or the 40T, but I'm not sure. And both go to Chinaralti, it's called. And then from there we have to walk like 80 meters. 40T, I think it's coming, guys. It's this one. Let's go. Good. We have it, we had the money. Let's go here in the end, guys. Why not? And we are off, guys. This is apparently our closer destination, Emirgan Sütiş. But where is the place? Time to walk now, I guess, isn't it? I think life can't get any better, guys. Istanbul, good vibe, good environment, beautiful city, beautiful place. Going to eat some Turkish breakfast. Can't get better than this, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. In the meantime, came a bit of cloud here. Got cloudy. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I told you we have a huge itinerary for this year, 2025, and we are already doing it. We went to Bulgaria, we went to Albania, we went to Türkiye, Istanbul right now, and many more. So hit the subscribe button and let's go to it now. Authentic Turkish breakfast. Let's go. Ah, it's that one, I think, guys. Look at that. Fantastico. We need to cross though. How about we go a bit here, and we cross. We cross fast. Here we are. Fantastico. Hello. Where can I sit?
Okay, how many person?
Only me. I'm doing a YouTube video.
Sit in the garden, you want inside? Come on, please.
Thank you. to show a bit for reclam, you know? Okay, looks nice. Just not on the middle. We found the place, guys. Thank you, thank you. Very, very nice and full outside. There is inside and outside. Of course, we're gonna sit outside because it's also shadowy here, so it's not super hot. Alright, amici miei, sat here, I put the microphone and I put, of course, the windshield because it's really windy close to the sea. We got the menu now, we scanned the QR code here and we're gonna see now what we gonna take. I really don't know, to be honest. I'm hungry, but not super hungry, so I don't know, breakfast, okay? So you see the menu is divided. Let's look what to get. We're gonna get like some platter, some like meze, I think it's called. Let's see. Some olives for sure. I like that. Okay, simit, of course, we're gonna order it. Menemen, what we ate yesterday. I think we're gonna start with this simit, menemen, and some olives, I guess. I'm looking around, guys, trying to understand what we can order. Wow, it's really full here and full of locals, not tourists. So I think we found the really good place, guys. Allora, I thought menemen, simit. I forgot the other olives. What you suggest?
Tomato and cucumber.
Bravo. Tzatziki you have? Yogurt and cucumber. Yogurt and cucumber, yeah? Tzatziki.
Cacık, no.
No.
White cheese.
No, put yogurt.
Yogurt.
No white cheese, yogurt. Enough, no?
Would you like a drink?
Chai. No sugar in the chai. Thank you. Menemen, simit, platter with vegetables, yogurt, and chai, of course.
This is buffalo.
Yogurt, thank you.
Mixed olives.
Thank you. Vegetables. Very good. Thank you. Amici miei, look at this. It already came the vegetables, the olives, and the yogurt. So, ready, steady. We're gonna wait for the simit, which is like the bread in the oven with sesame seeds. Here we are, the simit. Thank you very much, amazing. I just said simit and it came. So what else we waiting? I forgot. The menemen, the eggs with the tomatoes. Guys, this looks fantastic. I wish you were here. Look at this. Look at the simit and the bread. Look how fresh this looks. The olives, the yogurt. Wow. All right, amici miei, I guess we can start. Let's start with the yogurt here. Wow, it's a bit hard because it's cold, I think. They kept it in the fridge, of course. Wow. Really good, actually. Amici miei, came also the menemen. I hope you can see it's super hot. I hope to not touch it because it's really super hot. I already burned myself, actually. The gentleman told me it's super hot. Indeed it is. And looks really, really good. Look at this. Look how good this looks, everything. The yogurt we already tried. All right, let's try the menemen. I guess you eat it with this simit, this one. And yeah, let's indulge. I love this menemen because I thought you really feel the taste of green pepper, the tomato give freshness, and of course they put spicy. And with this simit, with this sesame bread, tastes amazing, guys. My new favorite thing, the menemen. I will do it home, actually. Very good. Let's eat a bit more this yogurt. Time to try the olives, guys. Wow, very good. Thank you. Thank you. And they are even better, even tastier, even better than what they look. The chai arrived. We're gonna put it here, and amazing everything. I really think can get better than this, guys. Is really, I feel free, and I feel, of course, happy. And I'm really happy that you are here with me, enjoying this moment, guys. I wish everyone, every single one of you was here, sat with me in this table to try this amazing food and experience this amazing city called Istanbul. They have different breads here, actually. I was eating the simit, but I want to try, wow, still hot, this one. I want to try this other bread. This one is with seeds, different seeds, and I think it's also whole wheat. Guys, this yogurt is huge, I don't know, really. I don't know if I will finish this. Portions here are really heavy. Not heavy, but huge, sorry. Let's put some lemon. The portions here are like in Albania, they are huge. This is my favorite thing. These black olives are even better than the green ones because they are a bit soft and they have really a different taste. In general, I prefer black olives than green, and these ones really are very, very good. After this, guys, I told you we have an itinerary. We're gonna go and take the ferry. So we're not gonna take the bus, we're not gonna take the tram to go back to where we were. We're gonna take the ferry, and I would love to show you around all the environment, all the Bosphorus. Will be an amazing experience, and I look forward to show you. I put to charge the camera, guys. So I was saying, the secret is wherever you see local people eating in some of these places, you really know it's a good place to eat, and you should stop there to eat. Indeed, I think we found a gem here, not only for the view of the Bosphorus, but also for the food, which is fantastic and very tasty, of course. I'm eating slightly fast, guys, because we have a lot of things to do. I told you we're gonna take the ferry to go back. We're gonna try to find some original Turkish tea to bring home, probably also some Turkish coffee to bring with us. Let's see. This place is called, by the way, Emirgan Sütiş. Emirgan, if I'm not mistaken, is a chain, and Sutis, I think is the chain, and Emirgan is the zone, because we are in Emirgan. And this one, apparently, according to Google, has the best view. Indeed, you see all the Bosphorus. This simit, the bread with sesame seed, is very good, but when it's hot, like yesterday in Hagia Sophia, in Istanbul here, the mosque, wow, that one was really mind-blowing, guys. It had an incredible taste. It was so simple yet so tasty that I will dream about it, we say in Italy, at night, you know, until I will eat it again. I don't know if we will have time today, or tomorrow we have to fly back, but I don't know if we will have time today to eat it again. The call to prayer, guys, I don't know if you can hear it, because we are close to a mosque here. And while I finish this Menemen, guys, I will also tell you what I discovered while I was in the bus. So I spoke with this girl, and I asked her about, I told her what I was doing yesterday. I told her I bought this Galatasaray jersey, and then it struck me that Galatasaray, you know, Galata is a zone here, is a neighborhood, the Galata Tower we went yesterday. It just struck me while I was talking to her that Galatasaray, the football team, comes from Galata Saray. So wow, that was mind-blowing for me. Whenever I understand a word, it really is mind-blowing to me to really understand the etymology, you know? So that's why when we went there, close to Taksim Square yesterday, was full of Galatasaray flags, full of Galatasaray shops, etc., because that is the zone of Galata and Galatasaray. If you are allergic to cats, this is probably not the ideal city for you, because they are everywhere, as you know, as you have read in the past. And I love them, you know, I love cats, so really is my city, this one. I love it. I'm really full, I tell you the truth. But yeah, really tasty everything. I can't leave it in the plate, I feel guilty if I leave it. I mean, to me, I think we arrived, I'm full, and we're ready for the next adventure. Ready to rock and take the ferry. Everything was amazing. I think this was one of the best breakfasts here that I tried so far. Well, I tried 2 or 3, not so many, but definitely this place is worth to visit. Last olives, I forgot. I will enjoy this last tea, and then we go together, guys, to explore. Guys, it's 925. Let me see if I have cash. If not, I will pay with card. Thank you. Look how nice, guys. Is everything customized. I think they started in 1953. This Sutis, this chain. And we paid 925 Turkish lira, which is around 20 USD or 20 euros. Let's put the same USD and euro. Now we go and take the ferry. And yeah, it was a fantastic experience, highly suggested.